I'd like to start by introducing myself. My name is Eric Kipschman. I'm the owner of Mattress Liquidation, and in this video we're going to show you how to put together a twin size frame. So we have a twin size box and a twin size frame. We're going to go step by step. I'd like to show you how simple, fast, and easy it is to put this together. First step is obviously to get your box and you open up your box. A lot of the times, if you can angle down please, a lot of the times when people start to put together their frame, they tend to panic a little bit saying, do we need tools? How do I put this together? What are the issues? This is really simple. Just follow this step by step and I'll walk you through it. So take your frame out. See these two pieces of metal. And you also have a bag of supplies. First step is, when you get your bag of supplies, is to go ahead and grab the wheel and insert the cover. And do this with all 4 wheels for your twin or full-size mattress. All 4 of them should be just like this. You'll also have 2 extra plastic pieces. These white pieces will go on the end of your frame to, it's more like a protector, so if you walk around the front of your frame, you're not kicking it and hurting yourself by hitting metal. So we'll keep these aside. And then these are your C-clamps. C-clamps are designed to attach the 2 pieces of metal together that hold your box spring in one place. Then you'll have 4 nuts and 4 bolts. This is only used for a headboard attachment. Save this for later if you want to attach a headboard to your given twin or full set. So let's get started. Once you have the metal frames out of the box, what you want to do is you want to separate your frames. And then you want to take your box and lay it in between your 2 frames. The reason why we're going to do this, we're doing it upside down, kind of backwards, because what we're going to do is we're going to fit the frame to hold your box snugly. Is that a word, snugly? I don't know. Guess it is for now. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on, and then we're going to fasten it, flip it over, and then we're going to have a frame that's going to work for you. So the first thing is to open up your frame. Just like this. Set it on the very edge of the frame. Make sure it's on tight. Open up the other side. You want the 2 bars to line up like this. Then, I like to push both of these together to make sure they're on nice and tight and together. At this point, you take your C-clamp, which looks just like this, and you're going to attach it to one of the sides. Lift up your other side, and then slide them both together. Kind of just place it in the middle at that point. Do the same thing with the other side. One last time. Push the frame together so it's nice and tight. And at this point, you just want to turn the screw. No tools are needed for a twin or full. They're just on nice and tight. Do the same for the front as well, or the back. At this point, go ahead and take your frame off your box frame. And we'll just set this up for now. At this point, we know that it's been sized correctly. Go ahead and insert your wheels. It is slide in with very little pressure. And then you take your yellow, your white covers on the very end, and attach them to the front. Once this is done, you drop this, insert your box, and you'll notice you'll still have 4 bolts and 4 nuts left over for your headboard. This is how you correctly install or set up a twin foot box or frame. Thank you.